Tired of appointment chaos and endless back and forth emails slowing down your business? In this video, we're going to show you how to create a seamless Acuity scheduling website, transforming your business and delighting your clients. First, head over to acuityscheduling.com and click on Try Acuity Scheduling. You'll be prompted to create an account, enter your email address, and choose a unique name for your scheduling page. This will be your unique URL. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. The first thing you want to do is set up your appointment types. Click on Appointment Types on the left-hand menu here. You can create different service offerings like consultation, haircut, or therapy session. Click New Type of Service, give it a name, duration, a description, and set your price. You can also customize the color it appears in on your schedule. Next, let's define your availability. Go to Availability on the left, choose your time zone, and set the days and times you're available for appointments. You can create different schedules for different days of the week. Now, let's customize your client scheduling page. Click on Client Scheduling page here. You can upload your logo, change the fonts and colors to match your brand, and add a welcome message. Finally, to integrate Acuity into your website, copy the embed code you find under scheduling page link and paste it into your website's HTML. You can also share the direct link on social media or in emails. That's it. Now your clients can easily book appointments online, freeing you up to focus on what you do best, running your business. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more business automation tips.